In this video, we will show you 3 ways to make object splits, either virtual or physical. Let's start with this leaf-like design. The first way to make virtual splits is by using the stitch flow. Select the stitch flow and choose the divide option. Now, when the mouse cursor is on top of the outline, it is like holding a green dot. Click and drag from one side of the object to the other to define a divide line. Once you release the mouse, the direction is automatically applied. Now the object looks like it has 2 parts. You can always switch to directions to define the direction for each divided part. Or create curved divides. Click and drag from any point of the line, and you will see that the divide line starts to bend like a curve. Drag the line to opposite directions to create the curved divide. Choose Slow Redraw to have a look at how the actual embroidery will be. As you can see, even though the leaf remains one object, it is actually embroidered in 2 sections. Another way to make virtual splits is by using the vector type. Vector is a special type. Any outline shape set as vector can be used as a virtual divide shape if placed on top of any satin or step object. Its main usage is to create satin look and feel on large fill areas where normal satin cannot be applied. The leaf is again split. Let's switch to Slow Redraw to see the final result. This time the result is different, as the satin stitches are only seemingly split in 2, whereas in reality penetration points following the vector outline are added to create texture. Finally, you can physically split any object using the knife tool. Draw a line over the object you want to cut in 2 pieces. Select the leaf design and then the line you created. Right-click and from the appearing menu use the knife option. The line practically acts as the knife's cutting edge. Therefore, the leaf is split at the points where it meets the cutting line, leading in 2 different objects.